Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg fried rice. First, let's get everything ready. You'll need about 3 cups of day-old cooked rice, 2 large eggs, and a cup of mixed vegetables like peas and carrots. Make sure your vegetables are chopped small. Whisk your eggs well and have your soy sauce and sesame oil ready to go. This preparation makes the cooking process smooth and quick. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your wok or large pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, pour in your whisked eggs. Scramble them quickly, breaking them into small pieces as they cook. This should only take about 30 seconds. Once cooked, remove the eggs from the pan and set them aside for later. This keeps them from overcooking. Next, add another tablespoon of oil to the pan if needed. Toss in your chopped vegetables, like peas, carrots, and corn, and stir-fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are tender crisp. Then, add your day-old rice to the pan. It's crucial to use day-old rice for the best texture. Break up any clumps with your spatula, ensuring it's evenly distributed in the pan. Now for the finishing touches. Pour about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil over the rice. Stir-fry everything together for another 2 minutes, ensuring all ingredients are well combined and heated through. Finally, add your scrambled eggs back into the pan and give it one last gentle stir. Garnish with fresh green onions if you like, and serve immediately. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.